This is our high-density vacuum barrel. Its material is 304 stainless steel. It contains shockproof vacuum gauge, tube, silencer, inlet valve, glass cover, anti-slip mat and vacuum barrel. It has a variety of specifications for you to choose from: 1.5 gallons, 2 gallons, 3 gallons, 5 gallons, 9 gallons. It is also very convenient to use. You only need to connect it to the oil-free vacuum pump and vacuum chamber with both ends of the tube. The vacuum pump comes with a plug line. Just plug the plug into the power supply and turn on the switch will be okay.